Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Another month gone, so another monthly favorites video for the channel. If you want to hang out with me some more and talk about beauty products, you can always subscribe. Now let's just jump right into my February favorites. The first one I want to talk about is just simple color nail polishes. This is just two colors, black on black and Rainstorm, which I have on my nails right now, but these are so underrated. These are $1.99 and I can get like 4 to 5 days of non-chip wear out of these, which is great for me. I usually can't even go a day or two. So these are such cheap, opaque, wonderful products. I am obsessed with simple color nail polishes. I always have been. For the money and the amount you get, like, can you even top that? They have so many colors. It's just so extensive. They are just such a overlooked product at the drugstore. I like went on a spree where I bought every single color, so I need to declutter a lot. If you guys want to see a nail polish declutter, let me know down below because I need to get rid of so many. I went through a phase in college where I bought like every simple color nail polish under the sun. It was like a fun thing for me. But now that I'm older, I'm not going to be wearing like purple glitters and stuff. Not that there's nothing wrong with that. It's just not really my style anymore. So simple color nail polishes. Next is something I'm just going to touch on for like a hot minute because I want to make a full video about it, but it is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Dewy Primer. Cruelty-free, wonderful illuminating primer. I'm just going to say that I love it because after this video, I'm going to make another video about it. But on another skin way, the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation SPF 20. This is what I'm wearing right now. I am obsessed with this foundation. It is not like a super crazy dewy foundation like I was expecting and wanting it to be, but it is a wonderful satin finish foundation. It doesn't look heavy on the skin. It makes you look alive. It makes you look beautiful. I love the way this looks so much. It has a big, heavy doe foot applicator, and it smells like paint, so it kind of smells exactly like the Wet n Wild one, but the Wet n Wild one can look very heavy and cakey. I feel like I can load this on my face and it doesn't start to look heavy and cakey. Like, I feel like it could, but this gives me a lot of freedom and a lot of leeway. It just makes my dry skin look healthy. Not like super sweaty, dewy, but at the same time, not super matte and plastered on my face. It's like such a healthy in-between formula that I thought I would love. That's why I bought it, and I was right. Next is something I didn't think I would like at all. It is the Tarte Tartist mascara. This does not even have a brush that I would really like. Looks like this. However, this is a very lengthening mascara, and at the same time, it does do a little bit for volume. I usually find that I hate the rubber bristled mascaras because all they do is lengthen. This does add some volume, so I get some nice, long, healthy, big va-va-voom looking lashes with a little bit of volume to them too. It's great for work. It's great for putting on my regular lashes right before I put on false eyelashes so they look nice and long and they're not like super caked up. I just think that I just was not expecting to like this at all. I've had samples of it before and I didn't like it, but the full size I got in a BoxyCharm and I've been using it every day since, and I can honestly say, do not get the samples. The samples suck compared to the regular one. Just get the regular one, but I've really been liking this. I want to get more colorful ones of this, but I have been loving the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish Lippies. Now, I've only had these and been wearing them all week, but I've had them for about a week and I am obsessed. They are a very thin liquid lipstick formula, but I really like them. I think they're so comfortable on the lips. They're so pretty. They're $6, which is really cheap for Physicians Formula. I want to get like the red and berries, but so far the two nudes in Bare With Me and All Natural Nude have been on my lips all week going to work. Hands down. I feel like this is like a huge Physicians Formula video, but the Physicians Formula Insta-Ready Full Coverage Concealer, I love this stuff. It reminds me so much of the MAC Pro Longwear, but it is less cakey than that. It is very pretty under my eyes. It's illuminating. It's a little bit dewy. The color selection is absolutely terrible. This pulls very, very pink, but it looks very pretty under my eyes. Of course, I'm not wearing it right now, but it's like really stuck in sideways. But I've had this for a while and I was like, you know what, I really need to use up this product, but it's beautiful for under the eyes. I haven't really used it for spot treatment, but I have used it a lot under my eyes, and it just brings such a lifelike, beautiful illumination under my eyes that is a little bit pink, but it looks so good. This one is just, I'm throwing it back here, guys, okay? But it looks disgusting, but just my beauty blender. I have been using and loving the EcoTool sponge. I love the Real Technique sponge, but I've gone back to use my beauty blender, and you know what? There is just something so different about the beauty blender, and I hate saying that. It is $20. I want to hate you so much and love the drugstore ones more, but there is just something so special about the beauty blender. It is just this different, like, space-like material that I can't figure out what it is, that it is just very special and soft. Softer than the Real Techniques, softer than the EcoTools, which I do love, and they are beautiful and they give me a great finish, but this just feels the best on my skin, and I absolutely hate that. Oh, I wish that this was not the best. Like a $20 sponge, are you freaking kidding me? I don't want to love you, but there is just something special about you, and I did not want there to be anything special about you. Damn it. Last but not least is something that was limited edition and not available anymore. So if you don't like that, just click out now. But I am so sick of not being able to talk about products that I'm obsessed with that are no longer available, and they could become available, but it's just the Anastasia Glow Kit in Gleam, and it's not even the gleam. It is the color Crushed Pearl right here. This is just, she needs to come out with this color again in another one. Look at it there. I will put it right here. There is just something, it is so blinding yet wonderful looking on your skin. Like blinding, but you can make it natural, but you can make it boom, and it just looks beautiful on my pasty skin. I know. I'm very tan for myself right now because I've been using self tanner, but it's like super uneven. But I hate that I can't really talk about limited edition products that I love, but I want to end that. I'm going to talk about this. I love this product. The color Crushed Pearl is like one of my HG highlighters, and I hate the fact that I can't talk about it with you guys. So now I am, because I just love it that much. Crushed Pearl from the Gleam Glow Kit. An amazing highlighter. Guys, thank you so much for watching. That was my February favorites. It's a short month, so I don't have like a ton of products to talk about, and I've been using a lot of my subscription box products, so that's why I did a best and worst of my subscription boxes. You can check that video out for some more of my favorites that I've been wearing all month. It's a lot of what's on my face right now. Guys, thank you so much. Have a fabulous evening.